Hello and welcome back to Europa. I'm Mick, we're playing Stationeers. The morning has broken! Ah, yes, we're back. Now we've filled in a few of the walls for our little accommodation area. Making some progress. Got a room each. That'll do us. Could probably do some bit of interior decorating. I'll probably just sort this out. I could put a roller cover on the door there, put my electronics in there, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it from there. But yeah, maybe put them up on the window, and that's about it. I didn't want this to be my rocket control area, but then all you got to do is pull the switch, and that's it. So maybe not. Bit of an airlock going in. I could put some stairs down there, and I'll probably put a trade station down there. Yeah, we'll see. But now we've almost cleared this out. This is ready to go, so I can start stripping that down, and maybe I could put a little shelter in under here and make a little crib for Amy to hide in when the storms come along. She gets her own apartment this time, not just living in the cupboard somewhere. And I'd probably better put some supports under this. It looks like it's about to fall down. But anyway, let's get it going. Goodbye to the old. Yeah, not you. And off we go. It'll work fine until I find the one where I've forgotten to remove the sheets from. There's always one. Holy crap, there wasn't one. And out. You. There's steel. Get rid of you. And can't have you magically levitating. Yeah, that works. Now, that should be enough room for Amy. I'll take these things out, and that should be about the end of that one. You're a different flavour. You're one of those evil iron ones. Ooh. Right, there we go. Now, as I say, we'll probably put in a little ramp down here so Amy can duck down underground, put some doors in, have to put a roof on that, and I'll relocate the loading chutes she's currently using, and probably all of her gear as well, and chuck all the charger and chuck that in a little shelter downstairs. Then I can put the armoured door on it, whatever they're called, airtight doors, blast doors, whatever they are. I'll put one of them on there, and she'll be able to put herself away, and she'll be safe from the storms when they come around. Now, I did say we were going to put some legs on the base so it doesn't fall down. What do you say? Oh yeah. You. There we go, that looks a little bit more structurally sound. There's no other little feral things I've got to pull out of there, little cables or anything. They're looking good. That was in the wrong spot, wasn't it? Wow, look at that, a long way off. Well, a block. You're not meant to go on those ones. I have offended my OCD. There we go, that'll stay up. You should be good. Oh, I've double welded all of those ones there. I don't need that anymore. I've got a floor up there. Oh, that's right. Now these things here, my overflows, I had to put the valves in there, or my overflows are not going to work. I hadn't put the valves in there because I kind of didn't need the gas in the pipe, so I thought, I won't worry about them. Iron frames, have some friends, and some iron sheets. Let's never speak of them again. Don't need their filth around here. There we go. Now, today we can probably just about finish all of this off. Do I want a second set of stairs in there? Or I want to build another room up there. I've got stairs here going up. That should be enough to get around the rest of the base. Although, how do I get over there? That's kind of in the way there. And I need that. I can have a passage over here on this side. So I'm going to turn that into a passage here and get to the other side. But this side I don't have that. So I might have to move the stairs over to there. I can swap them around easy enough. Yeah, alright. And yo. You horrible thing. I think that's because of that one from memory. Come on, get rid of that. There we go. Now, which way do these floors go? How do you tell which way they're facing? It all looks the same. I don't know until I've actually put it down and put that on and painted it. Someone just making fun of me. Pick up some balls. They're all good. Now, I could just put frames up there, or I could leave it with a high roof. See, now I can walk past there all right. I think that's what we want to do. And I could still push that out a bit further and put a room up here if I really wanted to. And I'm going to put some lights up there, so I'll have to put a bit of space in here. Do I need those stairs when I've got a stairwell just over here? Means I have to put a temporary airlock on it anyway. Indecisions. Right. No, you don't go in there, you go in there. Anyway, you. Now, if I'm going to put Y, I should be able to put that on there. Why not? Oh, is that the rocket? Ah, shit. Okay. So it's a collision from the rocket. Won't let me put that on that wall. Well, that sucks. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, maybe I'm back to it. Well, I won't be able to put anything on that wall now, will I? Maybe I'm not back to. Maybe I'm back to not liking my rocket there. Oh, crap. Should be a couple of windows. I could put frames up there, or I could just leave it open. I've got no idea what I'm going to put here. If I've got the trade out there, I can put the vending machine there. The vending machine will be inside. Yeah. There's me drill. Yeah, I'm coming for you, stairs. Boop. Trade. Get another set of stairs and put in a trade platform. You. Boop. Yeah, run out. Yeah. Yeah, so I need a couple of dishes, computer, a few other things for that. Oh, another unusual room. I could actually just seal that up, put in some frames in there and be done with that bit, and put a room in up above it. Then I can seal this whole section in and I can start heating the base. As soon as I put an airlock on top of that one. Right. Well, that'll be something. But, first up for today. Oh, my seeds. What are they doing? First up for today, the plan for today, which we'll eventually get to straight up. What was I going to do? Power. We're going to put the Stirling generator. We're going to turn our base into a hybrid. Oh. Wow, okay. And more. And you. 8 seeds. Look at that. You got wheat seeds. They are working. Soybean seeds. Excellent. Right. That's that. That was an exciting gardening trip. Right now, so they're all okay. They're still going good. So time to get a Stirling generator. So if I'm going to put that above my other generator, so you can pop in just up here. Now you should have a heap of cabling up there, so I won't be able to put it there. But you should be fair game right there. Active vent. Oh, I've lost an active vent. Oh, right. That was from when the that was from when this thing blew up. I did get some more damage. Holy crap. Wow. I wonder if anything else has been broken in there. I probably better have a check. Right, but so we shall want our Stirling generator, which is you, and I should pop you just up here, you bastard of a thing. I'm going to put a frame in. So yeah, I should pull you out. Oh, I know, your batteries are going to get cold, aren't they? Sorry, batteries. So I have to pull all of them out. I shall have to pull out them. And you. And iron wall. Why have I still got iron walls? And I've still got iron walls. There we go. No, I want that. Yeah, put you in there as a frame. Now I should be able to put you up there. There we go. No, let's weld it with the welder, not the grinder. Now I should have my electronic parts. I've still got them there. Good. I haven't reused them on anything. And we're good. My hydrogen tank is still there. Boop. We're good. I shall need some heavy cables to hook it up. You're there. But as a great crime, you are the wrong colour. Problem solved. Crisis averted. Yet again. Now, I should be able to just take you. Oh, there, that's as good a spot as any. I should be able to take you, cable. I want to connect to that, so I'll take you around this way. And down probably. Yeah, straight down will do us. And you. Right. You are connected to the grid. I shall just need some. Hook you up to the hot pipes, which should be just under the floor here. So for that I shall need some pipes, which I have got handy. Of course they're the wrong colour. There we go. Problem solved. I should just pop you in as a loop because that works. Well, not just a loop like that. I'll need to connect it to the hot, of course, as well. That cable's in the way. I have to. Oh, that's right. That's not a window. It's all right. I can go past there. There won't be any crimes associated with that. Yeah, rocket, you're in the way. Nope. Let's go down another one and in. into there. Oh, shit. And maybe grab some more. And there we go. Yo. And you and bingo, you should be connected to the hot. So now you are running. Excellent. Now I should be able to, you're connected, I should be able to pull this out now. Doop. And put the walls back in. Doop. And we should be good. Put on the panel over you. You. And you. I could actually turn that IC around and get that from that side, couldn't I? Then I wouldn't have to keep opening that every time I want to access it. That could be handy. You're on 0 watts, 31%. You're about to fire up. Now, is this working with only one vent? If it is, that means I only need one vent. Because the previous tests, it's always gone. The one vent hasn't been enough. It's always pressure's gone up. Yeah, see, the pressure's increasing, so I do need that. Or do I? Okay, that inlet gas is cold enough to get away with one vent. Wow. Okay. We can live with that, and that'll save us a bit of power. Not that I think that's really an issue. Right, now I shall need to get power to you. So I don't want it on the same circuit as this. I can't hook it up to the yellow cable. So I shall grab probably a transformer in there. And I shall hook you up. So I do have. So I'll put you in there. It'll be handy if I could get the IC in there as well too, wouldn't it? Then I can reach it. I can use it without having to go upstairs. Right, so which means I could probably do it if I lower that down. It should be good. So if I take you out, remove you lot as well, go down that way, you go down, you go that way, and you be like that. And we're good to go again. Awesome. Now, I can grab you down one more. And give me some power. Oh, you were on. Now the chip. I think I had a spare one of them. I do. And you can go into there. Put you in there. Now you are on your own circuit. And back to there. And good. Where do we need to go from there? If I bring you along here, I'll have to go around that one, of course. And to the front. I'll put a little power display on it as well. So if I put you up there, I can put a console on there. We should be good. Excellent. So now I'll need to cool the room. So I'll probably use the same system we used when it was downstairs. I'll just open a vent to outside. So I shall need a digital valve, some pipe, which I have, and I better correct that to a nothing important pipe. And some vents. There's 4 vents, that'll do us. I also need a sensor. Oh, I've got a sensor. Ah, rock and roll. Sensor, I guess you should be going in there. You will probably want to be wired up. That'll make your work better. I shall put in a few vents in each cell. So if we go 1, 2, 3, and probably one outside. I'll need the valve as well. I want somewhere I can see it. So if we put the valve in there, I'll be able to see it working there. And so those will just open links. So this provides a double benefit in that it will just release any overpressure that's in there and cool the place down. So you go there, I guess. Good a spot as any. Right. That should work as a cooler. Okay, so we'll need to wire you up. We had power here. Actually got power there, haven't we? Where do we want you? To there. Yep, that was what I wanted. Down there. And you're connected. You're connected. I want my display there so I can get some power out of it. Got my IC connected. We've got power to it all. We should be good. Right. Let's put you in. You're done. Now some walls. I have used them all. Okay. Unless they're sitting on the floor there. They're sitting on the floor there. Okay, that works too. And let's just put in windows. Do I still want the windows behind it there? Yeah, why not? Right, those ones I'll probably take out and replace them There's me flat walls, just so it matches my theme of white. I want to put another active vent in there. Oh, you're not going to turn over, you rotten bastard. It's not finished. I probably should check and see what else is broken in there. Well, it does seem to be working. Point me tool at everything, it all seems to be working alright. Come on, there we go. You can go in there. You can go in there, and we're all fixed again. Just export me code. See, I've got to use a computer to export the code there. I think I might just pull that chip onto the other side of that. Then I've just got to crack open the other room without having to bother this one. There's my drill. So now I can put that on this side. So now I can leave that all just sealed up. Oh, and I still have access to the chip from over here. And same as I have the access to the everything from that one. Where's my sheets? You, plastic. You, and my glass. You. And come on, there we go. Now, you're all sealed up. I've got to reset you. Got to build another console, and we should be good to go. Right. Consoles. Just the one will be super, and we should just about be ready to go. Boop. Now, let's grab you. And you shall go on to, yeah, boop, you're up and running. Now I shall switch you back on again, so I don't want to be running out of power. And you are connected to something, don't give me that. Now we have the generator, which was the gas fuel generator. The cooler, which was the volume pump, cooler sensor, which was the gas pipe analyzer, the dial, which was a dial, the regulator, which was the pressure regulator, and the sensor, which was the gas sensor. There it is, gas sensor. You're the pipe analyzer, right. That should be you. Right, that'll be fine when it comes on. Now, do I want a pipe sensor on you? When the pipe gets too cold, I might want to switch the thing off. Or when these batteries get full. No. Oh, I won't be able to read those batteries. Okay. If it gets too cold, I might just want to switch it off, so it's not going to continue to make everything go cold. So I shall need another pipe analyzer. One of you, and dupe. Thank you. take you, and that was all I wanted. Now you shall need to be pink, because you're looking at the pink pipe. Now you, I can put you onto there. Oops. Put you on like that. Then you can just go like... Ah, no you can't. The power cable's down there, isn't it? No, there we go. You. Right, so you go like that. That's better. So there we go. Very hot, 16 megapascals. We're good. Oh, that's not what I want. Try that one. Right, digital valves hooked up, the sensors hooked up, the generator is hooked up, sensors hooked up, displays hooked up. We should be good. Right. So you're all hooked back up again. So I just need this thing here now. Yeah. So the generator I shall need on there. So the room sensor. One. Oops. The cooler, which will be the valve, D2. We've got a pipe sensor too. Pipe sensor D3. That's all we need. So now we shall start. We shall yield. And right, so we'll take care of the temperature. So we shall load into R0 from the sensor the temperature. Set greater than. This is if it wants to come on when it's too high. So it's greater than. So set R0 if the temperature is greater than. I don't know, was it 0 degrees? I think that's around about the temperature for the Stirling, isn't it? And she'll save to the cooler on R0. That should be all. Right, so the display. The display. Display D4. Now we should want to save display mode. Mode 2 is for power, I think. 1's for percent, 2 is for power, 0 is normal. So we shall set that to there. So we want to load into R0 from the generator. Is it power generation? Power potential, power generation. Right. And so we're going to do is save it to the display, don't we? Display setting 0. So that'll set our display. Now we had to switch the thing on. So we want to set it when it comes on. I don't know, what temperatures do we need to make it worthwhile? 700 degrees? If we do it to 700 Kelvin, it still means our heat is hot enough to heat. Interesting sentence. Our heater is hot enough to heat. Yes. So if the temperature on the pipe sensor is greater than 700, switch on the generator. So we shall load into R0 from the pipe sensor. Temperature set greater than, so we want to come on when it's greater than. So set R0, if R0 is greater than, what did we say, 700? That's what, 420 something Celsius. And that's about all of it, isn't it? Save generator on R0. Jump to the start. So generator, sensor, cooler, pipe sensor, display. We have used everything. It's all connected. Okay. Yeah, get out of my way. I think we're done. Switch you on. Now we should have a Stirling engine, a gas sensor, a cooler with a digital valve, pipe sensor was the pipe analyzer, and our display was the display, and the other one was nothing. Reset you. Okay, we have power. It's 5 kilowatts, it's going up. Okay, it should go up as the room, because it's very cold in there at the moment, as the temperature in there goes up, it should increase. And, well, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So how's our temperature holding up? Wow, that's, oh, it's ticking down. Yeah. Hang on, I thought 6 kilowatts was the maximum. Has that been patched? Okay. So our power is still going down. Okay, so I won't have to worry about switching. I don't have to worry about measuring the batteries because we're using more power than that thing can generate. So I won't ever need to switch that off. Oh, there goes the cooler. So that's working. The cooler is ticking on and off. Okay, that's working. Ho-ho. And it's giving us a reasonable amount of power. Not enough, but... Ah! Ha ha! We are now hybrid power. Awesome. That is actually producing more power than I thought it would, but cool. So let's close you up. That cooler is still clicking on and off. That's still working. Good-o. You're all done in there. I did remember to put all the walls on the back there. You're all done. Close you up. I can switch you back on. I can put the delicate electronics back where they're meant to be. Huh. Power. Baby, 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 baby. Now I need a drink. And I've got to go in there to get it. That's annoying. Oh, more seeds. I might want to drink bottle filler upper out here. I may as well put it next to my kitchen, hadn't I? That would be most convenient. Quickly. Race. One wheat. You suck. 4 wheat seeds. 4 wheat seeds, Harvey. Whenever you're ready. You've got none. You've got 3. What are you doing? Right. Why aren't you picking seeds? Right. You've picked all yours. You've picked all yours. So you lot of those ones. Now you're picking seeds. So you didn't reset your seed counter. Oh, right. Okay. Yep. Haha. Right. Now, yeah, it resets its seed counter when it plants. Now, I manually planted those ones there, so it never reset the seed counter. That's what's going on there. So it had to pick 5 seeds. I think it picked 4 from the first crop, which meant it picked 1 more from this crop and left the other 3 there. So because it didn't plant those ones there and it never reset the seed counter. So okay, important thing to remember, always put your stuff in there, don't manually plant it or it won't work. So there's the rest of my seeds. 10 more from you and more from you. I've got lots of wheat seeds now, so we can happily plant them. Now, my drink thingy. I should want to put that in the other room. No more storms, we're good. And I've got to drink an awful lot. Because once again I have the modified plants and nutrition, so as my hydration here is not just how thirsty I am, it's actually how dehydrated. So it takes me a long time to actually dehydrate, but I've got to drink a hell of a lot when I do. So it saves having to come back and have a drink every 5 bloody minutes with your annoying warnings there, but I actually have to drink more than you do in the normal game. So yeah, without the tedious on off and all of all the quick counter there, I only have to do it every now and then, but I've got to drink a lot. So now it would be nice to get a drink bottle, so I won't be able to open my visor and actually use it. It'd be nice to get a drink bottle filler out here somewhere. Go on, there we go. Now I could put something out here. If I put it in between there, it'll stop things accidentally like Wilson accidentally rolling into there whenever there's a stiff breeze. Oh look, speaking of which, it's getting up to 138, well minus 138 degrees in here. It's warming up nicely. So if I have my drink bottle filler, I did pull one out from downstairs. I do have it there. I actually need some pipes. So if I'm going to put it there, I shall put you there. Means I can still reach in there, but things won't accidentally go in there. Did I bring up my drink bottles? I did not. Yes, I did. Oh, I did well when I was tidying that up, didn't I? So you lot will go in there and there. And I can hook the pipe up. 18 pipes. Maybe not, but we'll give it a go. How are you doing? You have cooled down, you've pumped all that out. You're still good. You're still good. Everything's good. Everything is awesome. So, how are we doing then? I'll take you out the junk pile and we should be good. Now, I might have to put you back to work sooner or later. I'll probably take you and see how everything's going downstairs. Now, you can go in there. Do I have any more pipes? No. I didn't bring my valves out, did I? No. Right, so pipes, water. You're there. You can connect to there. That looks like more than 18 pipes. We're going to get in everyone's way, are we? Yep, there's a pipe there. Let's go around that one. I did go round it. No, I didn't. Try again. There's a CO2 pipe there, so come forward another one. And that way. That way. There. 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 Where are we? You. Come on, let me in. Oh, you bastard. Two, three, and pass. Two more pipes I need. Oh, that's still too cold. No urgent rush on that one. There we go. So that's that one done. Well, not done, but partly done. Now, how are we doing for supplies? It'd be nice if I made up some sort of a reader for this one. Steel, yeah, that's fine. 68, 99 coal, 74, 90, 79, 99, 98, 86, And 98. I've got plenty of stuff there. I don't need to do any more mining for a while. Looks like iron will be the next thing I need. And I'll probably, well, it'll take me a long time to go through that because even if I do frame up the whole next floor, I'll probably still have stuff left over. So, speaking of framing up the next floor, I don't have my mining belt with me, so I can't mine out this area. Nice. But Amy will need a spot to live. So if I hive out a bit, so you need to be able to come in, get in 1, 2, and the door in. Okay, not leaving myself a lot of room there, am I? Yeah. It'll do. So if I bring in, you're right up against the rocket. And run 2 down for a ramp. 1, 2, so you'll be coming in here, that'll be the door, room to unload the chute. We should be good. And grinder. And missed one. That's not what I want. It's you. It's always been you. There. Right. So now can I put things on that wall there? I can. Right. Okay, so that's alright then. So that should work for me. So Amy, that will be your new house there. I should probably need to put a floor in it. Okay. We'll see what we can do. So now, more of you. More of you. I have some wreckage. That's some evidence. Problem solved. What evidence? I didn't see an explosion. You're crazy. Right. So I shall need some walls, some floors, and we'll be able to start building that. So you can make me some more walls. Flat walls. I shall need a what are they called? Did you just build me one and give up? No, you're building a full stack. Okay, they're the walls. I've got more walls. What are those doors called? Hanger doors? Airlock? Airtight? Airlock gate. One of them will do us. Get the walls. And mining belt. You. Nope. Nope. There it is. Right, I should probably try and make myself some more Tools and a spare suit might be handy too. We'll get there. Spare bits. You're junk. Oh, there we go. I can take you. Got some frames, got some sheets. Keep it going. Now, it was the, what do we call it? Cladding. That's got the ramp in it. If I grab 2 of them and get back to walls. Right. So what I had in mind for this one would be, where's my drill? There we go. How are you going? You're full. Not a problem. Right. And that should be that. Yeah, you. The 2 long-angled ramp. Yeah, so you're there, okay. Maybe I don't need that ramp. I could just scrape out enough of the dirt to get down to that floor level. How about light? Yeah. What am I doing? Does that look like something Amy can handle? She's a rugged gal. Right, so if I put that in there, I could call Amy to a waypoint just here. That way she can head off anywhere in that direction, and anywhere in that direction before mining, without crashing into anything. And then, or I could split that and have her come right out to here before heading off mining. She'd have a free range of that whole lot. I'll worry about that later. So the trick I want to do is be with this. I guess you'll have to be whereabouts? About there. So you can go there. You can have the floor there, and some walls. And I could put in some chutes in here and connect them up, although that's a fair old hike away, but it'll be good enough. So just come in here, empty out, and she'll be safe. When the storm comes, that door can automatically close, and she'll be safe. That's what we want. So I've only got one of them left. Yeah, more of them left. I can put a controllers, charger, everything in here, and okay, need some more of them, and we should be good from there. Excellent. Did I switch that off? No. There we go. I remember to switch something off. Open sesame. Right, so that will be Amy's pad. If it's too cold outside, Wilson's made of plastic, so he'll freeze and shatter before he gets down there. Amy should be safe. Right. Building you a house. Oh, yeah, I thought you'd like that. So some of them are some plastic sheets I've got. I shall need some steel sheets, and I should probably start thinking about putting a heater in here. I've got cooling there. I've got a heater just on the other side. So if I put a heater just here, I've only got one valve. Didn't I have two valves? Okay. I shall need a radiator. I shall need another digital valve, which you're not. Valve. And I still have to put my relief valves for the heater and for the furnace, because you're still very high in pressure. But our Stirling generator is still going, so I have achieved something without getting too sidetracked. You and oh crap. You. So if I connect you up to there, you. That'll be the cold. And I shall just need to hook you up to the hot. So I shall need you to be hot and you to be hot, and come on. Come on, you bastard. Okay, that's a hot pipe. Purple, there we go. And you are, oops, the cold. Right, hot pipe. Now I shall probably want, okay, more hot pipe for the purge system. So I shall need volume pumps for them. Probably some more cabling, because I haven't got much. But you lot I can hook up pretty easily. If I have the right tool. Right, you're hooked up. I can put a chip up there to control the room temperature, and we should be good. Ha! That's better. Ah, saves the day yet again. So we were going outside for Amy, weren't we? What's that all going to get? Oh, you're out of steel. Wow, okay. Grab me a couple of chunks of steel then. Wilson! Furnace! Quick, Amy, run! Now, nope, stuck. There we go, near enough. You. Walls, there we go. There we go. And oh, better clean up that. Okay, well that's the sort of thing we want. We shall have this, and you can come out here and wander. So I'll put the charger in there. I shall put the put a control panel in there. Bring the computer down so she can play video games when she's not working, and the chutes, and then she'll have her own apartment. Cool. Right, I'll better put some floors over the top of that and we should be good. Rightio, I needed some pipes to finish off that drink thingo as we switch back jobs again. And is Wilson still sulking? Fine. Right, what do we want? We wanted cables. And I should probably want some more pipes. Really, I had that set to one cable. Well, more than that, please. And when you're ready too. I think one more iron. Bada pink, you're ready. White light means too much pressure. Must vent. Can't resolve that problem. Still can't resolve that problem. Green light, we're good. Eat. 400 steel, lovely. And that will stack that. You got my pipes. Well. Okay, so you must have run out of something. You're done loading that. Very good. Well, you want more copper. Make me more pipes. You can have another go at that. You didn't get your steel? Oh, okay, I'll get a spare copper. Now we should be good. I guess that one wanted copper, and then I pushed the button again when there's copper already on the way. So it sent another copper. Right. So, you can give me them. Now, let's go. Okay, so I need to find a connection point for this waste tank. Now it should be connected to the cold just up there. I'm carrying a heap of crap I shouldn't be carrying. You can go into there. You can go to there. I'm carrying a table for some reason. And you I don't need anymore. And that frees up a few pockets. Now I shall need to not have that one, to have that one. So that's a furnace. I should be able to get into the waste pipe just here. And bada bing, bada boom. There's no waste pipe in here. Okay. Okay. That means we can go to plan B and start pulling out bits until we find something. Right. Other side of the furnace. There's a waste pipe there. I've got yellow cable, red cable. Switch your light on. Right, so I've got to hook it up to hook it up to red circuit. So you will point downwards, turn around that way. Yes, that will work. Or I could put you on the bottom. Would that be a better way to do it? Probably. Then I can at least see you working. So if I... stuck. Now, so if I turn it... Yep, that way. Nope. Turn it that way. And turn it around the right way. I should be able to connect it to that. And to... Oh. Ass. I put you up to there. You'll be pointing right at that cable there. Where it won't work. I can move that cable. That can be solved. Four-way corner, okay. Right, so you're to there, to there. So if I now bring you to there, and rehook you up that way, I can now get the pipe out of the back of that one, down to there, and the heater is at that level. So that'll be the heater pipe, not to be confused with the other furnace hot pipe we've got there. And now you, I can connect to there. Down, you. Oh, and I need power. Yep, we can do that. We want that connected to the red circuit. You can go up to there, and cutters. You hook into there. Right. So now you should be our hot pipe. Can come all the way around. Get you out of my way. You. And oh, yep. Well, that's pretty close. You can go to there. I can close you back up. Welder. You're good. You shall be the... I'm going to name you. You shall be the waste purge pump. We'll need some pipes. And some paint. And we should be good. Go on. Pipes. There we go. I did switch you off. Good-o. Paint. That was the other thing I wanted. You. No. You. Right, now, so you shall be if you paint. Switch you up to max. We're good. And put you into you in there. Had another one missing, didn't I? There we go. Nope. Nope. There we go. Right. And I had to connect it. I knew that. Nope, not that one. Let's grab you. And boop. You are connected. Awesome. So I can now purge that into the heater system, although it is colder than the heater. So it's probably not ideal at the moment. So that is 459 degrees. But I do have to purge it because he's getting to dangerous temperatures. Now I just need to switch it on. Now my IC can't access the waste tank. So you can't access the waste tank. I'd have to put on a separate sensor for that. I don't have any pins, so I can't run any more volume pumps. Okay, I might just have to put on a manual switch for now. I do still have one of them left. Good. So it's got a hook to the red circuit. Um, okay. I think I might have it. Come back. Cable in there. Right, so I can put you there. I can connect you via that, and get in there. There. Right, so you're hooked in. And I can just hook you in there, and the other one. I only needed to hook two of those points in, didn't I? I didn't need to hook up all three. Oh well, it's done now. Right. You don't like me opening that to the outside world, do you? You're scared of storms. Now I shall need to hook you back up again. Yep, try switching it on first. Right, hot tank is the hot tank. Hot top up is the hot top up. Cold tank is a cold tank. Cold top up is cold top up. Filtration is the filtration. And the fuel pump is the fuel pump. Wow, I made that difficult, didn't I? Right, reset you, switch you back on. You should be good. Oh, we're in the midst of another cold lockup. We are. There we go, all solved. No, don't put that on yet. So you shall be the waste purge pump. That's exactly what we want. And the on. So 4358. Yeah. And there we go. You are purging. That works. Excellent. Where are you? There you go. Put you back. I might just label you as the waste purge. Right, so now if I point at it, it is the waste purge, right. We're good. Right. Yes, I've been putting up special doors so I can have all my chips easy to access, and then I go and do that. Excellent, well done. That's why I should have those doors and covers and everything for around the place. But yeah, that's that done. We have our. Well, that's dropping down in power. That's probably because I purged it all, isn't it? But anyway, that is working. I've repaired this. We have hybrid power. Yeah, that's lost a lot of temperature now. I have a purge for my furnace. So I can purge that waste tank into the heater system and reclaim all that gas. Everything else seems to be working just well, and I have some more food. So, it was a little bit scatterbrained, but we got stuff done. That's what the main thing is at the end. Yeah, that power is running pretty good. Got a new home for Amy, and get impatient waiting for the door. Haha, rice, chook food, and more soybeans. I can make some chips. So soybeans, go in there. Make some oil. Gimme. Really, that's all we get out of that, is it? Flour. I didn't have much flour. Yeah, I probably want that. I want those seeds. I'll give them to Harvey. The rice I can probably stick in the cooker. Right, but that's about it. I went another episode without hurting myself. I can get to be a dangerous expectation. I need to plant some more stuff. Well, I better get on with that. So that's about it for today. So I shall do some gardening, and until then, till next time, happy building. See ya.